How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my home, Incase. I have an exciting video for you guys, and I'm so excited to say that I rejoined Ipsy because I couldn't believe they got 3 bags to choose from the last time I was subscribed to them. All I remember the Glam bag, the Glam bag. That's all I remember. $10 Glam bag. Now they upped the notch, the price a little bit, $13. Hey, inflation, it does it to everybody. But nevertheless, you still get your 5 deluxe product on it. So I upgraded to the Glam Bag Plus, which gives you 5 full products. You get to pick 3. Ipsy sends you 2 for $28 and $1.99 for shipping and handling, and you still get that monthly. Now they do have another box, which is the quarterly box, which is the Glam Bag Box X, and that's the one I got also, and that one is $58 plus shipping and handling, which is $1.99. All right, so let me show you the bag. It has 2 pretty, well, 1 string, I should say, and then you pull it and you close the bag this way. But look at this little pouch. It ain't pretty and gorgeous. It's black. It's the color purple. Then you see like the skulls, the snake, the broom, the little spider, everything you can think of on Halloween for costume wise. That's what you will see in here. But it says Halloween, ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month. Welcome to Ipsy Halloween, where we have conjured up everything you need for frightfully flawless skin and ghoulishly glam look, or in bewitching bag design you voted for. So, and then it has 3 beautiful women back here. They kind of gave you 3 looks to choose from. They got the retro cheer, they got the Betty Boop, and the Sisty Baddie. And then it says, get to know your glam bag picks, value at $120 plus. Just pick up one of the items that Ipsy picked up for me. And this is the Lifestyle Coat. Radiant Glow Botanical Oil Cleanser. It brightens and nourishes your skin. This is a 4.2 floor ounces container, but the box looks like this. So this is, again, these are full size product. Then you have the item itself. It looks like this. And it has this little thing right here that you can pull off for the pump so you won't waste any product. And this is how the product consistency look. And it's very thick. It's not falling or coming out. That's how the product looks. Must say that it smells amazing. So I can only imagine when you put water and it starts lathering up how it smells. It's really good. So it's really smells good. Oh, and one thing, it's vegan, cruelty free, and it's made in the USA. So that is cool. The item that I got from Ipsy, that Ipsy picked up for me, was this amazing color that I'm wearing right now. Sorry, I couldn't resist, but I needed to show you guys. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this is a 0.13 floor ounce lip stick and kind of like lip gloss, but it's pretty. And this is in the color Uncufted. Packaging itself, it is amazing. There's the packaging. Hope you guys can see that. Very pretty, nice and sleek. I totally love it. I see. It's not sticky at all. Very lightweight consistency. It's not sticky, it's not heavy. It glides very easily. It's very pigmented. I really like it a lot. I like you get to pick 3 products, so I picked this one. This is and I'm gonna put it over here. It's a Dermalactive Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation Soft Sea Salt Glow, and this has jojoba and it has lavender. I already opened it, guys, because I wanted to check it out. And this is the consistency. It has like little it feels like a scrub, but it's very gentle. And it smells, when I tell you it smells amazing, it really does. Really harsh on your skin, and I like that, but it smells. The smell is amazing. Very amazing. I could see myself watching myself and putting this on because the lavender itself amazing. Jojoba is very creamy, but it's not sticky at all. Not sticky at all. So I like that. That's one. Another item that I received, and this one I picked, and this was the Hello Brows from Tres Luce, and I hope I'm pronouncing that the right way. For this pencil, you will get it. Oh, I love this royal blue. I honestly do love that blue. The packaging is amazing. But in one side, you get the triangle shape. And then the other side is the pencil. And I already put some on. The pencil. And it's retractable. So you can close it in, open it. But you guys, as you guys can see, it took like 3 swatches, I should say. And then, and it's not harsh. It's a really good one. Buildable, because when I tried it, I went really slow, and honestly, you know, you can get it darker. So last but not least, I got the Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara and the Stream Volume from Clio, and this is the packaging. I'm in love with the packaging. I'm a sucker for red and black. That's my favorite colors. But the packaging on this is amazing. I totally love it, guys. That is amazing looking. I also have some on. Just said the applicator. Please don't fall. And this is how the applicator looks. And it smells amazing. It doesn't smell chemical wise. It smells like pretty nice. So being that said, let me show you the products that I picked. So I picked the mascara. I picked the lipstick. No, I'm sorry. What did I pick? The mascara, the brow pencil, and the scrubber thingy. So I picked those 3. And then Ipsy sent me the lipstick and the oil cleanser. I'm gonna say they all are my favorite. The fact that it's red and black, this definitely is gonna go into my beauty bag for like everyday use. I love this royal blue eyebrow pencil. The color just is amazing. The way they did it is amazing. I love it. That also gonna go in my purse for the go-to. I definitely love this freaking lipstick. It's amazing. I never thought that I would wear something like this and I would like it, but I love it. It's not sticky at all. It gives you that matte finish look, but it's not sticky, which I love. It's amazing. I love it. Now, I definitely love the fact that they sent me this oil cleanser. I'm definitely going to use it tonight, and I'm definitely going to use the jojoba and lavender scrub. So being that said, that is my bag. What is it? Glam Plus 2022 October Glam bag unboxings for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you got this product, how these products work for you. If you're willing to check out Ipsy, don't forget to get into the description box and look for that referral code. Yeah, and being that said, guys, I see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.